In this video, I'm going to show you how to see year-to-date spending in Origin Financial. Let's get started. The quickest way to view your year-to-date spending is by going to the Spending section, then opening Breakdown and Budget. Once you're on this page, look for the drop-down in the top right corner and click on it. From the Available Date views, select Yearly View. This will instantly expand your spending summary to show all tracked expenses from the beginning of the year up to the current date. Here, you can review how much you have spent overall and compare it with your yearly budget targets across different categories. If you want a more detailed breakdown, head over to the Reports section inside Spending. In this area, set the date filter manually from January 1st up to today. After applying that custom range, Origin will generate a full year-to-date spending analysis using charts, graphs, and category summaries. You can review stacked bar charts, donut spending visuals, trend reports, and overall cash flow summaries to see exactly where your money has gone throughout the year. Below those visuals, Origin also displays total income, total expenses, and net cash flow for the selected period, giving you a complete YDD financial picture. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.